to my channel. My name is Alexis Lopez. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this retro pony. I saw Bella Hadid wearing this retro pony on the red carpet, and I thought it was a super cute twist on the regular pony. So I decided I wanted to recreate it for myself and share it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this super cute bouncy retro ponytail, then keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is completely down, and right now I'm just combing through it to get rid of any tangles so that it's more manageable for when I start to style it. So just make sure you comb through it all first. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to create your part. So we're gonna part it. I'm parting here on the side. Make sure that your line is perfect. So we're just gonna do that again. You guys, do you see that? I have a white hair right here. Do you see that? I don't know if it's from like me coloring my hair. It just could be like a faded highlight, or if I actually just am starting to have white hair. When I saw it, I almost had like a heart attack. I was like, oh my god, I'm not even 25 yet, I already have white hair. So once you've parted it, you're gonna grab a piece of your hair to leave alone for a little bit. So I would say about a chunk this big is enough. So we're just going to comb through that again. And we're just gonna clip it so that it doesn't get in the way of everything else. Okay, so once you've already parted a chunk of your hair that you're going to leave out, this is time for you to start combing the rest of your hair back to get it ready to place in that ponytail. And you just really want to make sure that you smooth out the top so that you don't have any hair sticking out or kinks, because you want a seamless ponytail. So we're just going to use this elastic, and it's purple, but don't worry, we're going to hide that so it won't be seen. In order to hide the ponytail, you're going to grab a chunk of your pony, just a little bit, not too much. So I think about this much hair is good, and you're going to wrap it around the ponytail to hide it. And you're gonna secure the tip of the hair here with a bobby pin. So just this little guy. And then what you want to do is you want to grab this piece of hair here, and you're going to want to place it behind your ear. Make sure that you just smooth it out so that it doesn't look bumpy or anything like that. So before we finish off, you want to make sure that you have a seamless pony, so you want to tame those flyaways. So I'm just going to go in with a blowout cream. You can also use a sculpting cream, whatever you have at hand. The one I'm using is the blowout cream to smooth, protect, and control by Ronate. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm going to just run it through my hair. Okay, so once you're done that, you're just going to take your brush and brush out the ends. Okay, so once you've secured everything, everything's in place, the last thing you're going to want to do is curl the ends so that they're curled in. So I'm going to use my electric round brush to do that. So first I'm going to do that, and then I'll probably just go in with the straightener just to really make sure that the ends are nice, bouncy, curled in. So I'm just going to take this little guy here, and I'm going to wrap him under here. Make sure all the hair is wrapped in, and then I'm just gonna hold it for a little bit. Now you wanna be careful in this spot because you don't wanna pull and tug the hair too much that you loosen the pony. So I'm just gonna hold it there for a few seconds. So you see how that created a nice curled and bouncy curl. So we're just gonna finish it off with the straightener just to really make sure these curls are nice, perky, and curled in. I just like to go in with both just to really make sure that the curls are super bouncy and to really give you that illusion of like that 70s sort of mod hairstyle. That's it. This is the finished look. So as you can see, this is a super simple pony and it looks so clean, so cute. I absolutely love this hair. I never wear my hair like this. I saw that picture of Bella Hadid wearing it, and then I actually saw, I think before Bella, Kylie Jenner styled her hair like this as well, and it's a super cute hairstyle. It's a really nice way to mix up your regular pony into something fun and different. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys!